So here's the explanation for the Simple Harmonic Motion project. All right, so what you're going to do is you can either do this by yourself, you can find somebody else from class, you can find a couple people from class if you want to, and you guys can work together remotely because you're going to do this on Google Slides. So if you guys work together remotely, you guys can change stuff and it will change stuff in everybody's. That's the way Google Slides works. So you can work as a group together and get this done, or you can do it by yourself. It's up to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to use Google Slides. You're going to create a presentation that models simple harmonic motion. Okay. The only caveat is, actually, there's two caveats. One, you can't use something we've already seen in class. So we've seen dolphins jumping. So don't do dolphins or whales jumping. All right. We've already seen Tarzan swing back and forth. So don't do Tarzan. Do something original. Okay. And the second thing is do something that's school appropriate. All right. Sure, you can all think of certain things that are simple harmonic motion in type, but aren't really school appropriate. Don't do those. All right. For the presentation, we usually do a presentation for this in class. However, because we're not in class, you're just going to submit it to me. All right. So you're going to have all week to work on this project. This is the only assignment you have for the whole week. So every day I'll probably just put on something to kind of do a check-in, like, did you get your scenario done? Did you get some pictures? Did you get your graph and equation in there? Did you make a title page? All that stuff. All right. But it should be turned in on Friday, May 8th, which is the end of this week. Okay. You should have a minimum of 5 slides for the project. They will include, here we go, slide 1. It's a title page with the title of what your simple harmonic motion is and all the group members or just your own name, and try to make it creative. All right, slide 2 is the actual problem, which is the scenario that you're doing. So whatever it is that you're doing as a scenario, write it out, okay? Make sure you put in enough details. You can use the examples that we've done in class already on the 2 different worksheets of what you're going to need to do, like the period or the amplitude or whatever it might be. Okay. Also, where the graph or where the motion begins, in the middle, at the end, to the left or right, which way does it go first? Okay. All those things are going to be needed to be included in your scenario. Okay. Slide 3. All right. You're going to do a animation or pictures of the problem. So whatever you're in a scenarios on slide 2, a picture of what's going on in slide 3. Okay, any special effects, any music, you can take a video of it and put it in your presentation. It's up to you what you guys do for slide 3 as far as the animation or pictures or video or whatever it is that you do. All right, slide 4 is going to be the equation that you get from your scenario. Your scenario and your equation have to match. Okay, if they don't work out nicely together, then you've done something wrong. Also, you're going to have a graph for your equation. All right, you're going to go onto a website that is listed at the bottom there to do your graph. You just type your equation in and it will graph it for you. You cut it and paste it, the graph and the equation, into your presentation. So that should be pretty simple. The hard part will be making sure the equation is right for the scenario that you have. Okay. And slide 5 is credits or authors. Whoever made the presentation, put your information in slide 5. Okay, so how this works, very simple. Go to Google Slides on your iPad, open up a new presentation, and start from there. Okay, if you need to use, not if you need to, but in order to make your equation and your graph, you're going to go to this website called wolframalpha.com. There's the link. Okay, it gives you a thing to put in an equation. When you're putting in for pi, all right, just use pi. You can see there's an example down below. It tells you how to put in your period. So you notice it says y equals -3 sine, all right, 2 pi x minus 8. That's the equation. Then so from 0 to 1, that tells you that's how you write the period for your graph. So if your period is 8, you put from 0 to 8. All right, so whatever it might be, that's what you're going to write down in your equation, all right, when you're typing it out so that the computer knows what to do. Okay, so you can just cut and paste those things, take a screenshot and cut them and paste them, however you can do it. And when you're done with the whole project, you're going to just share it with me. Okay, there's my email on the bottom. You should have already had that. And then that's it. All right, good luck. If you have questions, reach out to me and let me know. I wish you luck.